Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So, we are putting Hades on a bit of a pause because I really want to play the new game. We will do Hades 2 videos. We'll complete the Hades 2 videos a little bit late, I would say. After I finish all the bosses for Hades, we'll complete Hades videos a little later after I finish Hades 2 bosses. So, let's just dive right in because I have not played this game since the last time I recorded for this, so I'm looking forward to what we can do. So today's goal is trying to unlock as many weapons as we can. I'm basically beating boss 2, I would say. I believe that was ours. I think so. I think 10 knights and the 10 grabs. Okay. Alright, let's dive into night 5, I'm guessing? Yeah.
Here we go.
Alright. Okay, we're good. We should reach Hecate without damage, hopefully. Hopefully. Again, I'm being very hopeful here. 10. Okay, so you basically want to use up and then. Oh, that's actually good. Take that.
Of the heavens.
Especially if you're not using any restorative ones. I want to just use. Okay, so I'll show you guys. Right. So basically, I want to use. Now I think all enemies. There you go. See? So you want to use it up real quick and then you get your lightning. Good. Actually not bad, to be honest. This will be good for boss fights with multiple enemy spawns.
The river Cocytus winds through endless misty passageways. The wailing souls within its languid waters, all denied their eternal rest.
My silk.
There we go. There we go. Oh wait, is shield still on?
Bathe in flame. Well done.
Alright, hit me already.
More beasts to go around.
Right, uncurse me. There we go.
Victory.
Alright, Hecate, very easy. Alright,
Is that?
fall
A
down.
word, if you please.
Sure.
When might you be my girl? And what compelled you to wander in and out of Erebus?
I'm not your girl, old man. My name and business are not your concern.
So it seems. You appear to be quite pressed for time. Forgive this old man his transgressions.
Yo, who the heck?
Been.
That's Kronos, is it? Is it Kronos? I don't like it. Why was this guy here? Alright, let's go see.
You again. Back to dust.
Oh, fucking hell. And oh my god, dude. I didn't see that.
Shadow now.
They're being really weird with these abilities.
The blacksmith sigil. What is he going to
Come
fit
here,
before suited
please.
on?
This is actually a pretty good bone. If I can get one.
Needed a weapon or something? You already got one. A right lousy one can spot that piss poor workmanship from here. Though, I could tune it up.
Alright. Then we get the attacks occasional crit blast. Perfect. That's the one I wanted.
I still return to dust. Arachne, the outfit you wove for me was so beautiful. I'm sorry to say I got into a bit of a scrape or two, and I'm afraid it didn't survive.
Oh, that's quite all right, silly. It wasn't made to last. What is? It was made to be in the moment with you. Now here, I've plenty more.
Dude, Arachne's so cool. On a 10, after that, makes your cost, after the guns, plus 5 and you don't get the bonus? Oh, that's just sad. Plus 100% damage. But that makes you restore 5 every 1 second. I guess we'll go for this one.
Crossed flames awaken.
Oh, why did I take hits? Got it. Oh, perfect. That's actually pretty good. Why am I taking damage?
Behold.
I'm taking hits. Oi. Oh, that's... Okay, hit me.
Time for a change. Salini tests your will.
Oi. Oh my god, I'm taking so much damage. Oh my god. There we go. Finally.
You have survived against me, and for that, you're owed a gift. May you learn well through it, Millenoi.
Alright.
The Book of Shadows. He's there.
Ah, there you are. You have returned. Or lost your way, perhaps, in those interminable passageways beyond.
Right? Is it Kronos?
I know where I'm going. Whom do I address? And what are you doing here yourself in such a place?
My name and business are not your concern. Is that not what you said? Ah, the impertinence of the youth of this age.
Wait.
It's... I don't know.
In the name of Hades.
I get the special. After you sprint for 1 second, use that to create a blast that deals damage to near 5 foes. If you take damage during attacks with the stronger hit, start featuring you are briefly impervious. For the surprise attacks, that might be a good one. Let's do it. I'm gonna use that for
My
the.
silver's come alive.
Let's use so many options. I'm gonna boost our damage, I would say. What?
Give up already, girl.
I
I know
promise.
who you are. I know where you go. You shall not get there.
Yep.
This magic. Kronos. I'll carve you limb from limb for this. For everything.
He's gonna be a bad.
How frightening. Unfortunately, we shall never know if yours was a mere empty threat. For you are going on a little time out. At least until some other matters are resolved.
No.
Okay. Where are we going?
You wish to trace
Fidel?
then here. Bask in it.
Seek a way out. Alright.
Old man. It was him.
Yeah.
Who am I? Or
Very
where
nice,
am I?
Fidel. Okay, so what are we supposed to do?
There. Just need to hold within this rift.
What witchery is this? You knew how to resist my little spell.
What's this? It'll take more than that, Kronos.
Holy crap! Alright, we are at the boss. Okay. Let's see who the boss is. I really don't like entering this boss fight, but nothing. I've got a chance to hit 2 times after enter location. Next location, that's 15. Let's do. I can take the 8 seconds, but I'll take more. Alright, boss. Oceanus, I'm guessing.
An ever-present song compels the nightmare, bringing Princess ever forward, towards the beauty, deeper into the abyss.
Yes, Aaron? Sure. See. Oh. Okay. Okay, let's see.
Very pretty.
It is. So it's probably not Oceanus. Let's go. Let's see what this is.
Oh. Oh, no way. No way. Look at Gal's a lady. Ladies never come to see our shows. You must be different. What's your name? Oh, make yourself comfy. We're just about to start, aren't we, Gals?
Alright, let's see.
Sirens. I should have known you were the source of all that singing. Slinked down into the underworld, have you?
Yeah.
It's the perfect pressure down here.
Scylla. Alright.
While all our fans are watching, begging, Scylla, where's your next soul?
Scylla, okay.
You drown your so-called
That would be
fans to
Oceanus.
death. Have you even got any left?
Oh, don't ever say such things about our fans. Oh, hey, gals, let's say we give her the old song and dance.
Okay.
We're Scylla and the Sirens!
Okay. Ah, dude. Alright. They're annoying. I need to go get there with 100% health. Dad. This set I can't take.
Total eclipse. Bathe in flame.
Oh my god.
Caught out again.
freaking unavoidable. I can't do much about that.
Total eclipse.
There you go. Okay. Easy peasy. Kronos, old man, you here?
Just in time. You seem to know your way around. I am master of this realm. Yet even I would never venture into yonder woods. You even found your way back from your detour in Asphodel.
Okay.
Damn you, Kronos.
The fates cannot help you now.
Am I supposed to beat him?
Stop. 'Tis a pity that this granddaughter of mine is both a weakling and a fool, though an elusive one. I ought to thank the fates that we have met at last.
Alright.
Fates had nothing to do with this. You took my family.
Beat up this old man so bad.
Our family. Make not their same mistakes, and in time, we surely shall grow past this halted start to our relationship. I shall see you later.
Wait.
I'm gonna beat the shit out of this old man so bad. Hold up.
Risky to unseal a different path.
Let's do this one. I want to check this one anyway. Who's the person here?
Wow. I mean, come on, just... Oh.
Lotus.
Yeah? Well, would you look at that? Another would-be suitor journeyed far and wide just to gaze upon me. Not that I blame you. And get totally rejected. Fine. Ogle if you must.
You have the wrong idea. I'm not seeking a mate. I don't even know who you are.
What? I'm Narcissus, dummy. The Narcissus. And if you're no would-be suitor, then why don't you relieve me of one of these innumerable gifts the others offered in vain? Then beat it.
Sure. That, okay, ancestral offering, mystic secrets, heartfelt condolences. I'll take that one. Why not?
Now you may go.
Thanks. Thank you.
Okay. Let's go here.
Why are you glaring at me like that, little one? Uh-oh. Have I offended in some way? Too hot for you?
Oh. Oh. This rat is so annoying. Thank you. Alright.
Terrifying.
That is a very terrifying rat. Cause deal damage 3 times in succession, but in smaller area. Take -10 damage and restore some health when you take damage. Gain armor until the last location. Starting armor 15.
Oh, I knew it. She's come back. You ready for another show, lady? We've been rehearsing our material, practicing non-stop because one day I'm gonna be a star. Oh, me and the gals.
What do your musical
She's just heckling us gals. Ignore her and take it from the top. 2, 3, 4. We are Scylla and the Sirens. Come on, sailors, hear my music, echoing through sea and home. Bring your homies to my harbor. Join my team, let's below. Down, down, king of gold before the ground down. Save your breath, 'cause tonight you're gonna drown. God and we curses are my endless muse. All who hear me, prince or pauper, this shall be their final cruise. Down, down.
What am I supposed to do? Alright. Okay, chill. There's Roxy. There we go. Scylla down.
That's quite enough of them.
Holy! That didn't take much though, but that was pretty good. Alright, be good, be good.
Where once reverberated the enthralling music of the sirens, sheer silence now remains.
Okay,
Doubt this ends in my
Scylla's.
next attempt.
Okay. Let's see where we are. 2 buses down, 2 more to go.
This keepsake's done.
Man, this keepsake is good. If you know how not to take damage. I'm gonna take that. Perfect. Anyone here? Okay, we're just gonna see what the next level is like. And we are going to
Big drop.
call it end over there. Jump down. Scylla.
Don't lose your way here, Mel.
Fields of Morning. Holy shit, what is this? Because usually that's okay, so I can't go there. This is a good game design, to be
That's
honest.
more than usual.
Why is it more than usual? That is a lot more than usual. One.
Across the fields, beyond the bridge. Seek there a pathway down.
Thing here. Dude, just finding stuff here is gonna be irritating. I'm guessing there is nothing here except for that entrance. Oof, those hurt. I was just testing. We'll do one level. Probably might die in this one.
Look for the golden petals on the ground.
For the golden golden petals on the ground.
A withered bough.
Oh no! Okay, some that stays even when they are not there. Okay. Okay, not bad, not bad.
What is that?
What? We're kind of empty. Oh, okay, so if you hit those, okay, that's not bad mechanic.
It's stuck. Uh-oh. And now my claim.
Yeah, we can do that.
Shall I take it?
Does it just have okay.
Mornis. Who else?
let's do 12 seconds after enter. 10 seconds, that's good.
Think I can finally go.
Where? Go, but where? Guessing this way? Can I finally go? Oh yeah, I can. Okay. I can either go this way or that way. Alright, so that was the second boss. Scylla, pretty good, amazing. Honestly, really fun to play. I got her on my second try, that's all that matters. First try is always just to kind of like map out what the boss is capable of doing. Anyway, with that being said, now we are in, I forgot the place name, Morning Woods or something. Anyway, Land of the Morning. Anyway, that's it. If you guys did like the video, consider subscribing to the channel, consider leaving a like down below, help me out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.